Hey students, this is Mr. Boyd. In this video I'm going to focus in on how to find sales tax and find the final price after you apply the sales tax to the original price. So let's get started. So we see that we are buying a pair of shoes from Small Mart and the sales tax is 6.5%. What is the final price after sales tax? Well, the first thing I think I'm going to do is convert 6.5% to a decimal. So 6.5 as a decimal would be 0.065. All right, now I'm going to use my percent equation to find this. So part equals the whole times the percent as a decimal. In this case, the part is going to be our tax, and our whole is going to be the original number, which is $32, times 0.065. And when I multiply 32 times 0.065, I get $2.08. Now to find the final price, this happens to be my tax. To find my final price, I'll just add the $2.08 to the $32. And so the final price for the shoes is $34.08. Okay guys, I hope you find this video helpful. Remember, you can subscribe to my YouTube channel to get more videos.